Dear students, now let us learn the new lesson, lines and angles. So here we will learn some basic definitions of lines and angles. So first of all, line segment. So here it is a part of line with the two end points is called line segment. Okay, this is also a part of line. This has two end points. So see, if I draw, this is A and here point B. So this is what we call line segment because it has two end points. This is line segment. Ray. A ray is nothing but it is a part of line with one end point is called ray. So here a ray has only one end point. I call this as A. The another one is arrow mark, the ray which travels here. Okay. So you know sun rays. Okay. So it has only one end point. Okay. So next, collinear points. If three or more points be on the same line, they are called collinear points. If three or more, okay, more than two, that is three or more, the points they are lie on the same line. Okay, so consider if there is a point, okay, 3 points lie on the same line, these are called collinear points. If more than 3, you can take many points. Okay, these are on same line, so that's why these are called collinear points. Non-collinear points. If 3 or more points not lie on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. So see, if I take 3 points A, so here B is this C. Okay, this is triangle, we know that. Here all 3 points are not on same line. So this is here on same line we have 2 points, and BC we have 2 points, but not 3 are all in same line. So that's why these are non-collinear points. Next, angle. So we generally know that what is angle. So we have learned this in 7th standard. An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same end point. Okay. See, if O is originate point, so here if two rays originate from same point, then they form an angle. This is called angle. Okay. So then here we have learned many types of angles. For example, acute angle. So acute angle is nothing but it is less than 90 degree. Right angle is nothing but it is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree, which is always greater than 90 degree. And the straight angle, yes, the straight angle means we know the straight line. The straight angle is how much? This is 180 degree. It is equals to 180 degree. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is nothing but it is greater than 180 and less than 360. So if you consider x is an angle, it is always greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. So then it is called reflex angle. So next, complementary angles. So here we said two angles are complement whose sum is 90 degree. If consider 45 degree is one angle and another is 45, the sum is 90 degree. These are called complementary, or 50 plus 40. These are equals to 90 degree. These two angles are called complementary angles. So here supplementary angles are also nothing but here two angles are said to be supplement when whose sum is 180 degree. For example, 100 plus 80, the sum of two angles is 180. So these are called supplementary angles. Otherwise you can take any angles. Okay, 90 plus 90 equals to 180. These are also supplementary, or 150 plus 30. So these are also supplementary angles. The sum is nothing but here 180. That's why these are called supplementary angles. Next, linear pair of angles. When the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then they are called linear pair. Okay. So the sum of two angles is 180. That is, it is nothing but supplementary. So the adjacent angles, for example, I take this is a line segment. Here we have two angles. These are side by side angles. These are called adjacent angles. If the adjacent angle, we know that the line, if there is a straight line, means this is 180 degree. That is, the sum of two angles is 180. X plus y is 180. So these are, the sum is 180 and these are side by side angles, that is adjacent angles. So these angles are called linear pair. For example, you can take any example. Okay, so see, these are side by side angles. I call this as A, B. A plus B here equals to 180. Okay, these are adjacent. Okay, so other angles you can see, if there is A, this is A. Okay, this is C. These are not adjacent angles. Okay, so these are opposite angles. These are not linear pair. Here let us learn a small theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. So here, if two lines intersect each other, okay, I take two lines. This is called AB, this is CD. Okay, these are intersected O. So here I take data, line AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, so now they form the opposite angles. So see, here I call angles, this is A, this is B, C and this is D. Okay, here A and C are opposite, B and D are opposite. We need to prove opposite angles are equal. To prove that, we need to prove angle A equals to angle C, then angle B equals to angle D. We need to prove this one. Okay, so now here in this I take proof. So here we know that A and B are supplementary angles. Okay, so we know that AOD, angle AOD plus angle AOC equals to 180 degree, because these are linear pair. These are adjacent, so that's why linear pair. I call this as, okay, AOD is nothing but A plus AOC is nothing but B equals to 180 degree. I call this as equation number 1. Then next here, BC, these are also linear pair. So see, these are on same straight line. Okay, that's why B and C are also supplementary and linear pair. Okay, B, that is AOC plus COB equals to 180 degree. Okay, these are also linear pair. So here AOC is nothing but B plus COB is nothing but C equals to 180 degree. So I call this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, these two are equals to 180. So it is also equals to 180. This is also equals to 180, means these two are equal. That is angle from 1 and 2, A plus B, angle B equals to angle B plus angle C. Okay, this can be done as angle A plus angle B. I take this B here, that is this plus becomes minus angle B plus C. Sorry, equals to C. I just write C here. Okay, now here plus B minus B, it becomes 0. So angle A equals to angle C. So when we proved angle A equals to angle C, that is opposite angles are equal. Similarly, angle B equals to angle D. Hence the proof. So first exercise of lines and angles. In this, AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, here AB and CD are intersect at O. If AOC plus BOE, that is AOC plus BOE, these two angles, the sum of these two is 70 degree. BOD is, this is 40 degree. Find BOE, that is BOE, we need to find out this one, and reflex of COE. Okay, let's find out this one. So here we know that So AB is a straight line, then the sum of all three angles, that is, if AB is straight line means 1, 2, 3, the sum of three angles is equals to 180. So here AB is straight line. So that's why AOC plus COE plus BOE equals to 180 degree. Okay, so now here the sum of, yes, we know that AOE plus BOE, the sum of these two, this and this, the sum of these two is 70 degree plus COE equals to 180. Okay, then COE is equals to 180 minus 70. This is equals to 110. Okay, now we need to find out a reflex. Okay, so here reflex of COE. So COE, we know that 110. If you need to find out reflex of COE means we need to write 360 minus COE. Okay, so reflex of COE is, this is COE. Except this is what the reflex of COE. So this is reflex of COE except COE. Okay, that is the number 360 minus COE. So here 360 minus COE is 110 degree. So this is equals to 250 degree. This is the reflex of COE. Now we need to find out angle BOE, that is BOE. Okay, so let's find out this one. So here in this case we know that CD is a straight line here. Okay, here CD is straight line. Sum of these three angles is 180. So here CD is straight line. CD is straight line. So then angles, which angles? The angles lie on CD are COE plus EOD, EOB or BOE plus BOD equals to 180. So COE, we know this is 110 degree. Yes, BOE, we don't know this one. I just write down as it is. Then BOD. So BOD is how much? 40 degree. This is 180. So here BOE is equals to 110 plus 40. This is 150. Okay, then 180 minus 150. This is equals to 30 degree. So this is what the angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. So here in second question, lines XY and MN intersect at O. Okay, here XY and MN intersect at O. If POY is 90 degree, here POY is 90 degree. AB is to B is 2:3. That is, I just write A is, this is I call 2x and B is 3. That is 3x. They are in the ratio 2:3. Okay, here we know that XY is straight line. So if XY is straight line means there are three angles on XY. The sum of three angles is 180. That is this angle, this angle, this XOM plus MOP plus POY. So here the sum is 180 degree. XOM, I write this is 3x plus MOP, I write this 2x plus POY. We know that POY is 90 degree. Then this is 180 degree. So then here, equals to 180 degree. Then here 3x plus 2x is 5x equals to 180 plus 90 becomes minus 90. So 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Then I just write x is equals to 90 divided by, it becomes 5 here. So then here 5 1 ja 5 here. Okay, we have 4, then 8 ja. So x is 18 degree. Okay, if x is 18 means we can easily find out angle A and angle B. Angle A is 2x. That is 2 into x is 18. Okay, this is 36 degree. Then angle B is 3x, that is 3 into x is 18, that is it is 18 3 ja 54 degree. Okay, we have AB. Now we need to find out C. Okay, so to find out C, so this is nothing but here. So here MN is straight line. So here on MN we have two angles B and C. Then sum of these two 180, that is this angle, that is XOM plus XON equals to 180 degree. XOM is 3x, that is B, plus XON, that is here this is C, equals to 180 degree. So we have B, that is 54 degree, plus C equals to 180 degree. SC is 180 minus 54 degree. Here 180 minus 54 is 126 degree. This is C. Okay, so this is A and this is B. This is angle C. So in third question, here in the given figure, PQR equals to PRQ. PQR. This angle equals to PRQ. These two angles are equal. I call this as X. Okay. So then prove that PQS is equals to PRQ. Okay. Now in this, yes, we know that here on straight line, these two are adjacent angles. The sum of these two is 180. That is SQP plus PQR is equals to 180 degree. Okay, I write down SQP as it is plus PQR as X equals to 180 degree. Okay, then here the sum of these two is also 180. I call this as equation number 1. Then PRQ. Okay, PRT plus PRQ equals to 180 degree. Okay, I just write down PRT as it is. PRQ is, this is X equals to 180 degree. I call this as equation number 2. So now here we know that the 1 and 2, this is equals to 180, this is equals to 180, means these two are equal. From 1 and 2 we have SQP plus X equals to PRT plus X. Okay, now here this SQP plus X, here I take X here, then it is minus X equals to PRT. Now the X becomes 0. So now we have SPQ. I just write down is PQ. SPQ can be written as PQS. Okay, I write down this as PQS equals to PRT. Hence the proof. In fourth question, here they have given X plus Y equals to W plus Z. Then prove that AOB is a line. If you need to prove AOB is line, then angle AOB must be 180. Okay, then here I take. So here we know that we have 4 angles. The sum of 4 angles is 360. Okay, this is circle. The sum of 4 angles is 360. Okay, so it is given that. So here angle X plus Y plus W plus Z is equals to 180. Okay, we know X plus Y plus, I place W plus Z in the place of W plus Z, I place X plus Y equals to 180. So here X plus X is 2X, Y plus Y is 2Y equals to 180. Okay, so here I substituted X plus Y equals to W plus Z. Okay, so now here 2 is common, then X plus Y equals to, sorry, this is not 180, this is 360 degree. Okay, this is a circle here. Okay, sorry, this is 360 degree. Okay, so now here 2 is common, then 360 degree. X plus Y equals to 360 divided by, here into 2 becomes divided by 2. This is 1 ja 180 ja. Here X plus Y is equals to 180. that is x plus y. I take this is AOB. Okay, so or if AOB x plus y is 180 means AOB is a straight line. That is, it is nothing but here AOB is 180 degree. So therefore AOB is a straight line. So here in the fifth question, in the given figure, POQ is a line. Okay, this is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular here. OR is perpendicular to PQ. That is, OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray. Okay, here another ray is there. OP and OR. Okay, rays. This is lies between OR and OP. Prove that. Okay, we need to prove this one. ROS is equals to half of QOS minus POS. Okay, so here first they have given OR is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, if perpendicular means these two are 90. Okay, that is POR and ROQ is 90. Okay, so here POR equals to ROQ. These are equals to 90 degree. Okay, then the sum of these two 90. Then here POS plus ROS. The sum of these two is 90. ROS is 90 degree. Okay, then I just write ROS. We need to prove ROS set. That's why I write ROS here only. ROS is equals to 90 minus this. I send here. This becomes POS. I call this as equation number 1. Okay, so here we know that QOR is also 90 degree. So, okay, so here QOS, okay, I take QOS is equals to R. QOS can be written as 90 minus ROS. Okay, so R, I write down these two. So QOS minus, in QOS I remove ROS. ROS equals to, in QOS if you remove ROS then we remain 90 degree. So 90 degree. Okay, so again here we can write QOS. This plus 90 becomes minus 90 equals to ROS. Okay, so now what to do here? I add these two equations. I call this equation 2. Okay, otherwise write down here. First I write down ROS is equals to QOS minus 90 degree. Okay, I write here and this here. Okay, I now add 192. 1 plus 2 I am adding. We have RO plus ROS. ROS plus ROS equals to, add these two. So 90 minus POS plus I add this QOS minus 90. Okay, so here 90 get becomes 0. Okay, then here ROS plus ROS 2 ROS equals to, here I write down first this one because this is positive. QOS minus POS. Okay, here I write down ROS only equals to, here into 2 it becomes divided by 2, that is 1 by 2 times of QOS minus POS. So hence this is the proof. So here sixth question, if it is given that XYZ is 64 degree, okay, I will draw XYZ here. XYZ, this is 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. XY is, I produce this one up to point, so P. Okay, so now draw a figure from the given information. Okay, we have drawn this one. If ray YQ, so here Y, I draw a YQ here. YQ bisect, it bisect ZYP. ZYP. Okay, bisect means that two angles are equal here. These are bisect, these are equal angles. Find, we need to find out X, Y, Q and reflex of QYP. Okay, yes, we need to find out this one. So here in this case, we know that the sum of these three angles is 180 because they are on the same line. That is, here PX is straight line. So here we know that PYQ plus QYZ plus ZYX equals to 180 degree. So PYQ, this is X, this is also X, plus 64 degree, it is equals to 180 degree. So X plus X is 2X, then 180 minus 64, it is equals to 116. So then here X is equals to 2 becomes divided by 116 divided by 2. This is 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 8 ja, that is 58 degree. X is 858. So then here we have XYP. We need to find out XYQ. Okay. So here X